Hi friends, today we are going to make Gourd Kootu. The bottle gourd has grown well. I am going to harvest it. To prepare Gourd Kootu, these are the ingredients you would need. A bottle gourd, a mix of dal which has tur dal, chana dal, masoor dal and moong dal. I have added a tablespoon of each of them, and you need a medium sized onion. To grind, you need half tablespoon of fennel seeds, quarter cup of coconut pieces, small sized onion. For tempering, you need 2 tablespoons of oil, 4 red chilies and the mix of urad dal, jeera and mustard. I have washed the bottle gourd. I am going to cut it. When you cut it, it's very tender. You can use the seeds as well. I have added the washed dal, bottle gourd and onion. Add 1 glass of water and cook it for 3 whistles. Grind this into a smooth paste. After grinding, the coconut paste looks like this. The dal and the vegetables are cooked. I have transferred the ingredients into this clay pot. I am going to add the coconut mixture now. Add turmeric into the kootu. Add salt into it. Now stir it well. Let it simmer for 5 minutes until the raw smell is gone. I am going to taste it now. Tastes good. Raw smell is gone. I am going to temper it. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. The oil is heated. Now add the mixture of urad dal, jeera and mustard. Add the tempering into the kootu. Mix it well. It is done. I am going to taste it. Yummy! This is my lunch today.